on the hunt for cute Christmas outfit idea to ensure your Christmas Day selfie are on fleek? You have come to the right place. And today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make your own must-have Christmas crop top in red plaid. Crop tops are one of the biggest and sexiest trend this year, and I can feel this will last till Christmas because it's a crazy cool trend. Crop tops outfits are very versatile. Whether you pair with jeans, skirts, overall or trousers, you will be showing some extra skin without revealing too much. And this top allows you to mix and match any different outfits to fit in your event. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click the like buttons below. And if you are not already part of our family, hit the subscribe buttons and hit that little notification bell so you know exactly when I'm upload every Wednesday. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye!